Hi guys, so here's a table that my wife basically uses to cook and stuff. So she does a lot of cooking in the garage, so she uses the table as a shelf. So over time you can see a lot of gunk built up. This is the cooking oil and stuff like that, very dirty. So today I'm going to be showing you a trick that you can easily clean it up. So I'm going to be cleaning a small portion, kind of show you how this whole thing works, and we'll concentrate on one part, and then you can compare that to the other dirty part. So let's get started. Okay, so a few things you're going to need for this particular one is a brush, to agitate something. The next thing, the most important thing that you need is baking soda. And the third thing that you need is just white distilled vinegar. So you're probably thinking I'm using an acid, but I'm using a base. If you're good in chemistry, you're going to figure out, hey, they both cancel each other, so what the hell is this guy doing, But this is the trick, guys. When you throw the baking soda on the table, mix it up with a little bit of water, and then you have to agitate it, right? And then when you throw acid on it, it basically creates this chemical reaction which pulls up the grime and gunk with that chemical reaction. So that's the whole trick. So let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So if you have a spray or something, you can use that, or if you have a hose, with mist, you can definitely use that as well. Or you can use a small canister and make your baking soda paste in there, but you don't really have to do it that way. So we're going to test this a small surface. I'm going to get some of the baking soda. So you can see it's pure baking soda, don't need that much, just a little bit, sprinkle it. And you can see that paste forming. So let's mix that paste. Now, as soon as you do this, of course, baking soda is a good cleaner, so it does clean a little bit, but it can leave some of the stains. So, of course, it's not going to do the best of the job. So for you to give it the best shot, this is what you need, the vinegar. And you're going to see some of the chemical reaction taking place right there. Let me move this. There you go. See? And all you do is just start agitating it really good, and you'll see a big difference. And now it's neutralized because you see there's nothing happening. There's no chemical reaction taking place anymore, and it's all neutralized. So now let's wash it and see what it looks like. Now you can see we clean only this part, and you can see all this part is still dirty all around it, but this part that we clean is fairly clean. Now if you have a spot that is embedded into the table, of course it's plastic, it's not stain resistant. So if you have a stain or something, in some cases it does not take the stain off, but it does take the top grimy stuff off. So you can see how clean this area have gotten. So we're going to apply the same technique to the entire table, but this is a technique that you can use on pretty much anything, anything that you're cleaning in your kitchen. If you have too much grime or cooking grease that you really want to get rid of, this is the best method that you can use. I also clean a kitchen wall, so I'm going to leave a link in the description below that will show you or take you to that video. But I've used this method multiple times on different things, and it works great, guys. It works wonder. So hopefully it helps you guys clean it. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my table. Hopefully. Okay, so I threw it on the whole table, and let's go ahead and Okay, so now you can see how clean it looks after I clean the entire table. And of course, if I really want to get rid of these, even the paint spots come off, because there were a lot of paint spots that I did remove it, but I don't really care. I just want to make a quick video to show you guys how to actually get rid of the grimy stuff, so you can see how clean it looks. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you like it, guys, do check out my other video about the kitchen wall cleaning, and I'll leave a link in the description below. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video.